Good morning. In the last class, we have done list interface, have started the collection also, and in collection, we have seen that how we are storing the data using ArrayList. Have done one program also. Now, second collection that we are going to start is set interface. So, as we have done in the last lecture also, that set interface is an interface which is not going to store duplicate values. So here what we will see that we are creating an object of a class which belongs to set interface, and we will try to store the data into set interface or that class, and we'll see that it is not going to store duplicate values. So a set is an efficient data structure which is holding and processing non-duplicate elements, does not introduce new methods or constants, and subclasses of set is hash set, tree set, and linked hash set, in which today we will do tree set. Okay. Set interface contains some methods like equals, hash code, and it is not implementing means. The abstract set class, which is inheriting the set interface, is not providing definition to size and iterator method. This is the definition is provided by tree set or the concrete classes. So tree set. So in tree set, what we are going to do, we have navigable set interface implemented by tree set. It helps to traverse the tree set in both the direction. We can add object into tree set and then compare it with one another. Access and retrieval is actually faster as compared to iterator if we are using navigator. So we have three different constructor in tree set. Simple tree set having no parameter, tree set, and you are passing one collection. That element of that collection will get added into the tree set, and duplicate value will get removed automatically. Let's say the question is, you have an array list, may have some duplicate value, and you have to remove the duplicacy from that array list. So what you will do, you simply create a tree set. In the tree set, you will pass the collection of array list. Okay, tree set will remove all the duplicate values and then will copy that element of tree set again into the array list. So your array list that you have created will not having any duplicate value after storing it from the tree set. Third is tree set, and you are passing the construct object of comparator. Let's say you are creating tree set object and you want to store it into a particular order in ascending or descending order. So if you want to store the data in some particular order, then you will pass this reference of comparator. Okay, we will see one example. So in this program, I'll leave this, just going to write the program for the live demonstration. So let's say we have Notepad. So as all the collections belongs to util package, so we have to import java.util.star. Okay, now let's say we have created class test having main method, and in the main method I have created object of tree set, which is of a type, let's say integer, or you can take string also. Let's say we are taking string or any generic type. Let's say t is equal to new tree set. Okay, similarly we have add method here, so simply you can write t dot add. Let's say we have added here one object of string, that is Ajay. Then we have t dot add Rahul. So in this way we are adding T dot add Jatin. Keshav. Have added the elements. Now using iterator, let's say we are going to access it. So simple iterator I is equals to T dot iterator while I dot has text. In the while, simply we will print system dot out dot print I dot next. So this is how we have created the program. I'm going to save it on the desktop. The name is test.java. On the PowerShell. The output. Ajay, Jatin, Keshav, Rahul. So in which order we have stored the data? In ascending order by default. Okay. Second is, let's say I am storing duplicate value in the program. So T dot add. I have again Ajay stored. Going to execute it again. So again we have only one time Ajay. So this is how we are storing the data, and data gets stored into the ascending order by default. We want to print it into the descending order. Just what you have to do, we have another method here. So T dot iterator, on the place of T dot iterator we will call descending iterator. That's it. It will print the data into descending order. So we have Rahul, Keshav, Jatin and Ajay. So this is how we are doing. And what you have to do, you have to explore all the different methods which belongs to tree set class. Okay. The rest actually everything is same which you have done in ArrayList also. So the method which belongs to set, method which belongs to abstract set class, and the method which belongs to tree set class are actually you have to explore. That's it. This is all about tree set. So if you will see, all the collections are similar, have similar kind of method, and just the differences in ArrayList, we can store duplicate values. Here we cannot store the data into duplicate values. We cannot store duplicate values, and data gets stored into ascending order by default. If you want to print data into descending order, just we have another method inside the tree set class, name is descending iterator. By calling that method, the data will get printed into the descending order. Okay. Thank you.